Tracking your customers and their sales is important to gaining valuable insight into your operation. Today, we'll cover creating new customers within your platform and also tracking their spending habits and how much money they owe you. First things first, we'll go down here on the left side to customers and prospective. Within this prospective customers list, we're seeing all of the active licenses within your state's registry. So from here, we can search existing licenses. So for example, let's choose this 101 SE Green. Once I click into that, I'll see all the information related to that license, and I can then promote them to a current customer. And it's at this point that I have an opportunity to update any information that may be different from the information that I have. For instance, the contact name that's listed here may not be the same contact that you talk to regarding sales. So you have an opportunity here to update the information as needed, adding in secondary addresses or updating the website URL, Instagram handles, sales representatives that are assigned to this customer within your facility, and also any notes associated with this customer. Once all this information is verified as correct, we can go ahead and create. And what that's going to do is move this customer into our current customers list. So now we can see them here, and within this list, as I create sales orders for these different customers, we'll see that sales history along with any outstanding balances they might have. For instance, let's open up this Cali Growers LLC. And you can see here, based on the previous information, the previous sales that have been entered for this customer, we have a total sales of $2,500 with a total outstanding balance of $2,500, along with the subsequent sales order related to that customer. At this point, you can open up the individual sales order itself and see the details of that particular sales order, as well as the transfer manifest, if there is one, associated with this sales order. In addition, if for some reason you need to apply a credit to this customer's account, you can do so here. Along with that, you can always update the information for this customer by clicking the edit button here. And you can also add files. So these files could be PDF of their license number or perhaps previous invoices that they had before you started using Canix that you want to make sure are all in one place for this particular customer.